Friends, very good morning. We have covered one complete unit, that is chemistry of carbonyl compounds. It covers near about your 33% syllabus. Means now you are on the stage that you can gain 33 marks at least, minimum. In options, it will be near about 40 to 45 marks. So important instruction about the organic chemistry. I think I have told this instruction earlier. The instruction is that the organic chemistry cannot be studied without practice. It required lot of practice. Then how we can do the practice? Write down the each reactions 2 or 3 times so that you can understand each and every step, and mind will be developed in your brain, so that as you start the reactant, hand will be automatically go through the next steps because only of practice. So the friends, only one key for the organic chemistry is the practice. I promise you, whenever you do the good practice, automatically each and every reaction, every reagent, every named reaction you can easily remind at any time. The condition is that practice. Okay, so we have covered this part. Now we are on the second part, that is physical chemistry. In that physical chemistry, we are going to cover the two topics, that is chemical kinetics second and solution topic. In the chemical kinetics, some basic part we have covered in the FYBSc, and solution topic is new for us. In chemical kinetics, we are going to study the types of chemical reactions, that is the reversible or opposing reactions, consecutive and parallel reactions. In that, no derivative, only example expected. Thermal chain reaction, hydrogen and bromine reaction, only step involved, no kinetic expression expected. Effect of temperature on the rate of the reaction, Arrhenius equation, concept of energy of activation, numerical expected, theory of reaction rate, collision theory, activated complex theory of biomolecular reactions, comparison between the two theories, qualitative treatment only. Next is the solution topics. In that topic, thermodynamics of ideal solution and Raoult's law, deviation from the Raoult's law, non-ideal solution, vapor pressure composition and temperature composition, cause of ideal and non-ideal solutions, distillation of the solution, Lever rule, azeotropes, partial miscibility of liquid, critical solution temperature, effect of impurity on the partial miscibility of the liquids with respect to phenol water, triethanolamine, water and nicotine water system, immiscibility of liquid, principle of the stream distillation, Nernst distribution law and its application, and the solvent extraction. These topics we are going to be study in this physical chemistry. So friends, we will start